Hello students. So we continue our topic, and our topic is national income calculated by the second method, and second method is income method. Okay. So this is an example of income method. Okay. So I read the question. What question asks? Question asks, find out the value of domestic income and national income. Okay. And these terms are given in your questions. So which method you use, it's depend on these terms. If you observe these terms, you can find out which method is easy to use, because the terms is using in every method, each and every method. Okay. So wages, rent, interest, dividend, these are terms is using in second method, in income method. Okay. So it means we use second method. So through the second method, we get the total value of NDPFC. Okay, we get total value of NDPFC. NDPFC equals to, what is the formula of national income? First, remember one thing. First thing is, through this method we get NDPFC. Second thing is formula of income method. So formula of income method is NDPFC equals to compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. Three variables are adding in this formula. Sometimes the total value of consumption of compensation of employees operating surplus is given. Sometimes the part of the compensation of employees and operating surplus is given. Okay. Compensation of employees having some parts like wages, social securities, payment, other payment of employees, and pension. And operating surplus having three parts: rent, interest, payment. Profit, sorry. And again profit having three parts: dividend, undistributed profit, and corporate tax. Okay. And mixed income not having any part. So sometimes if direct value is given, then we use the direct value. If direct value is not given, then we use the parts of compensation of employees. Here compensation of, if you observe in the question, compensation of employees is not given and operating surplus is not given. The parts of the both of them is given. So compensation of employees part is, first wages is given, second wages, after wages social security. So here is social security, wages, social security, then pension is not given, and other payment is not given. Okay, so two parts of the compensation of employees given. So first you make the formula, write which thing is added, given in your question, add one by one. NDPFC equals to, because wages given, so wages plus social security plus two parts is not given, so we go for the other one part. It means operating surplus. Operating surplus having three parts: rent, interest, payment. So first part rent given, so I add the rent. Second, interest given, yes, so interest is added. Third part is profit. Direct profit value is not given, profit part is given: dividend, undistributed profit, and corporate tax. Dividend, undistributed profit, and corporate profit tax is given. So here I write rent, interest, then dividend, undistributed profit, and corporate tax. Last one is mixed income. Okay, then we add mixed. Now after that I'll put all the values of wages, salary, rent, interest, dividend. Then we get, if we add all of them, we get the 19,400 is the value of NDPFC. Okay, so first of all, the main thing is, in this method we get NDPFC. Second thing is formula. Which variables is given, you put the variables and make a formula. After that you add all the variables values and add all of these, you get the NDPFC. Okay, now we have only NDPFC, but question asks GDP, MP, and NNPFC. It means after getting NDPFC, we convert NDPFC into the GDP, MP, and NNPFC. How we convert? What you want to find out, always you write on equals to left side. It means question asks GDP, MP. That's why I write here GDP, MP. Equals to right side, what we have, NDPFC. So that's why I write here NDPFC. Now see, one by one positions. Alphabet. First alphabet is G. Here first alphabet, and it means both are different. So G having a pair of N, but both are not same, different. So it's, what is the difference in both of them? At first position difference is depreciation. Okay, and now remember one thing, make a trick, big small. Okay, G is a big, market price, big, three alphabets are big and three alphabets are small. G having relationship with N, right? So G is big, N is small. National, N is relationship with D, N is big, D is small. MP is big, factor cost is small. Here G is relationship with N is small, G is big. So in small we always add the difference. So add, it means plus, and difference is depreciation. So I'll add plus depreciation. Okay, now second position, D and D same, PP same. Next one is also different, market price and factor cost. We find out market price, what we have, factor cost. Factor cost is small one, see, factor cost small one, it means we add, in small always we add, so plus. Now what is difference in market price and factor cost? NIT, net indirect tax. So that's why here I write the, add the NIT. Okay, now this formula is made. If in NDPFC I add the depreciation and NIT, I get the GDP MP. After that, NDPFC value we have 19,400. So here I put 19,400 value. Okay, now we want depreciation value also and NIT value also. So see, depreciation value, see in your question, is depreciation value is given? No. Is NIT value is given? No. So it means both are 0. So here I put depreciation 0, NIT 0. If we add, we get 19,400, same at same value. It means GDP and NDPFC are same. No depreciation, no NIT. Okay, so it means first we clear, what question first ask we solve out. Now second one is national income. National income is denoted by NNPFC. So again we have NDPFC, right? We have NDPFC and question ask NNPFC. So that's why left hand on side NNPFC and right hand on side NDPFC. Now see difference, first N and same. Second one is difference, here is N, here is D. N means national, D means domestic, right? So N is, see, N is big, D is small. So it means in D we add the difference. Now national and domestic having difference of NFIA, net factor income from abroad. So that's why we add the NFIA. The other one, see, PP, CFC. It means only one change, N and D. So we add NFIA. Now see in your question, NFIA is given or not. Net factor income from abroad, wages, rent, interest, dividend, mixed income, undistributed profit, social security, corporate profit tax. Now net factor income from abroad given? Yes, it's given. How much? 1,000. NFIA is given, it means 1,000. If we add 1,000 in NDPFC value, it means 19,400, we add 1,000, so value is 20,400. It's a value of NNPFC, it means national income. Like this we solve the calculation of national income by income method. The main thing is, through this method we find out the value of NDPFC and remember the formula of this method. Three things in broadly added: compensation employees, operating surplus, mixed income. But sometimes, not maximum times, the direct value is not given, the parts is given. Okay, so you learn that parts: compensation of employees having 4 parts, operating surplus having 3 parts, and profit again having 3 parts. In previous video I explained all income method by descriptively, so revise that one video and learn this method properly. Okay, that one video help to you to how we solve the national income by income method. Thank you.